In the 1970s, Israel developed a light armored vehicle called the RBY-1 MK1, which is a multi-purpose armored vehicle designed for armored patrols, reconnaissance, special operations, and internal security tasks. The vehicle entered service in 1975 and had a unique mine protection design. While other mine-protected vehicles commonly used bottom armor, V-shaped hulls, and increased ground clearance, the RBY took a different approach. Due to its light weight of only 3.6 tons, relying solely on the vehicle to withstand explosive impacts was not considered reliable. Therefore, the designer positioned the front and rear wheels as close to the ends of the vehicle as possible. This uncoordinated appearance allowed the wheels to detonate landmines at a distance from the crew, increasing their survival probability. The vehicle's body is equipped with protective armor plates, and the bumpers are made of fiberglass. In the event of an explosion, the bumpers disintegrate to reduce the number of highly lethal fragments, serving as an effective protection measure. The power system adopts many civilian designs, with a rear-mounted 120 horsepower Chrysler 225-2 6-cylinder gasoline engine, for-speed manual transmission, four-wheel drive, leaf spring suspension, and hydraulic shock absorbers. With a high power-to-weight ratio, it offers good maneuverability, reaching a maximum highway speed of 100 km per hour. The vehicle's armor is relatively thin, with 8 mm of steel armor around and 10 mm on the bottom for mine protection. The crew compartment has an open top, while the engine compartment has a fiberglass cover. The front seats are occupied by the driver and the vehicle commander, with large observation windows on the front and sides protected by hinged armor plates. The rear compartment can accommodate 6 soldiers, 3 seated in each row back-to-back, allowing them to directly climb over the sides of the compartment. The armored vehicle is not equipped with fixed weapons, but it is fitted with machine gun mounts on all sides, allowing for the installation of up to 5 machine guns. These machine guns are operated by the soldiers on board, providing comprehensive firepower angles for the armored vehicle. The machine guns can also be removed for infantry support. The overall small size and weight of the RBY armored vehicle gives it excellent strategic mobility, allowing it to be transported by heavy transport helicopters or airlifted by large transport aircraft. In addition to its use by the Israeli military, the armored vehicle has been sold to Guatemala, Honduras, Venezuela, and Lesotho. It is reported that the selling price is $60,000, and the version used by Guatemala has had the engine replaced with a 145 horsepower V8 diesel engine. The RBY armored vehicle also has subsequent modified versions, including a self-propelled artillery version equipped with a 106 mm recoilless gun, a self-propelled anti-tank missile launcher equipped with tow missiles, a self-propelled anti-aircraft gun equipped with twin 20 mm cannons, and a self-propelled mortar version. The RBY armored vehicle had a relatively uneventful service career, participating in the Civil War in Guatemala but otherwise seeing little actual combat. It is said that some countries still have this armored vehicle in service, while the Israeli military has replaced it with the Ram series. The RBY-1 MK1 light armored vehicle weighs approximately 3.6 tons, with a length of 5.023 meters, a width of 2.03 meters, and a height of 1.66 meters. It has 8 to 10 millimeters of armored protection, and the crew consists of 1 driver, 1 vehicle commander, and 6 additional passengers. It is powered by a 120 horsepower gasoline engine, with a maximum highway speed of 100 km per hour, a maximum off-road speed of 50 km per hour, and a maximum range of 550 km.